downloading music from YouTube on your iPhone can feel confusing, annoying, and honestly way harder than it should be. But don't worry, because in this video I am going to show you a really simple process to do it step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and without wasting a minute, let's get started. First we will open YouTube but in Safari or Google Chrome. Then switch it to the desktop version. For that, just tap on the square icon and then tap on Request Desktop Website. There are two different ways to do that. Just go to your profile, then open YouTube Studio, or you can head over directly to studio.youtube.com. It will take you directly to YouTube Studio. Once you are inside, look for the music icon so you can browse through the available tracks. Then search for a specific song or use the filters to find one that works for you. For example, I chose Forever Ever Pop Music for my next gadget review video because it feels soothing and gives off really cool techno vibe. Before downloading, play the preview so you can make sure that it is a right track. Once you find the one you like, tap the download button next to it and it should save to your iPhone Files app. Then open the Files app and check the downloads folder, and that's it, your music is downloaded. Now the music is ready for you to use in edits, videos or whatever project you are working on. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.